You're in a nice dark room there.
Will you turn on the light?
No, it's fine. I can see you. I can see you fine. I just meant it look nice and comfy in the dark room.
Well, that's the thing. The screen's bright, so I don't need to have the light on. But all right, share my screen. All right. Well. How's that look?
Okay, that looks good. You did that pretty quick.
Yeah, well, this is how I edited it, and this is how I recorded the, the macro. And then after running it, it kept doing this. Like, it's not certain columns, it's not resizing for me. And I went through, I looked through the code again, and I'm just, run the macro. So this is
Do you have two macros that you're running?
Yeah, I ran this one, and then I run the second one. Oh, I guess it did shrink it down. That did not work like that before. That just worked.
So now you just have to put them together in one macro, right?
So all you gotta do is put these together, right?
Yep.
Well, I did that though. I took everything from this one and pasted it at the bottom of this one. So maybe I'm not pasting it right.
You know, mine did the same thing with the new ones that I created because did it create a new module for you?
Not a new module, still under module 1. So I took columns TY select. Let's see, does that say that? I thought I pasted it at the bottom. Last thing should be, yeah. See, so here, this is all the pasted stuff from, oh wait. Here's the original one.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's how it ends with me pasting.
So did you?
Here, look at this. When I scroll down, why is it doing that? When I scroll down, at what point does it, watch that module right here, watch this. At some point, as I scroll down, it changes right there to the name of the other one. Did you delete them as you did it?
Yep. Yeah, but the last couple that I've done, it's acted weird.
Oh, okay, look, here's the line where I paste in the second part.
Yeah, so you need to put the second part above the end sub to keep it all in the same one.
How do I?
Right?
Can I just delete this?
No, copy the stuff that's in the other one.
Down here?
Yep. Except for the sub. Don't take the sub. Copy that or cut it, whichever you want. And then put it, yep, right there.
And now.
And then just delete the rest of that. At least delete that stuff. Yep. Now save it.
And how do you hit save? Just save here?
Yep. And then go back and run it.
How do I delete that other macro?
Well, it's already gone. Shouldn't be in the list anymore. When you delete the start and the end, then it automatically deletes it.
Okay, let's try this again. Run macro. Genius.
So make sure that do you have it set up so it does Control M so that it runs?
Unfortunately, because I'm doing the Mac, how do I get back in there to? I can't open that editor screen on the macro again, can I?
You should be able to. Options.
Hit options. Oh yeah, so I did. I put M, Shift M, but I'm sure if. So you have to actually on a Mac, you have to hit Option, Command, Shift, and M.
Yeah, that should be fine. I mean, it's as good as you can get on this, probably, right?
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you. That actually worked. So I just need to resave this whole thing. Delete these extra sheets. Let's delete this. Actually, I can delete it all. I just need these two things. I'll put an extra one on there. So the teacher wants to run it, he can. All right, well, I mean, anything else I should have edited here? I mean, I kind of followed everything, but I usually do things very simple.
No, it looks good.
Tell me what you did there.
Mine, I haven't worked on mine anymore.
Oh, well, pull it back up. I can't remember what it looks like.
Yeah, I haven't done any more on mine.
Oh, you mean from the last hour when you were showing it to us?
Yeah.
So you're still just doing a little part at a time and then adding it to the code as you go.
Right.
Okay.
So far it's working okay. I just need to add some color in the background and.
Well, I overcomplicated it. I spent some time because mine was so spread out horizontally. So I started taking the stuff on the right and I put the part numbers down below and I created it, all these other modules. And then I was just like, this is ridiculous. I just need to shorten all the columns up to fit it on one screen.
Right.
So
the one you got there looks good. Looks great.
There's probably a whole lot of extra code in mine of me moving stuff over. Because I didn't do like you did. I didn't chart it out. I just started. I hit record and I started doing it as I went.
Oh, well, that works good.
All right. Good. Well, this is. I mean, the macro thing is something I've used before, but never to edit whole sheets like this. I mean, usually it's just to do a simple like 2 or 3 step thing that you do over and over again.
Right. Yeah, I've never really used macros before, but they work pretty good.
Yeah, no, they work great. They work great. Hit the button and it does it over and over.
Well, cool. It doesn't look like Diana could make it, so.
Well, it's really late for her. I think the second meeting.
Yeah. Well, I'll send the links out and quick reminder to everybody to make sure they turn in their Project 17 tonight.
I'm gonna go do that right now because I always forget.
Okay.
All right.
Good. We'll see you next week then.
Sounds good.
Okay, thanks. Bye.